oath forms by the county returning officer. They are photocopies which you fill. Now, the presiding officers in Kisumu Central, a number of places denied our agents permission to enter. And I found that fairly strange. I had to go back to the CRO to get authority for my agents to enter. And by the time I did that, it was about 7:38. So 7:38, those who went to vote in the morning, you know, voting started at 6 o'clock. So I don't know what happened early. But I also know, I got information actually from teachers who are presiding officers in Kisumu Central that they have been approached to help Professor Nyang'nyong. Why they should be approached to help is what I don't understand. I mean, this should be a fairly straight contest of people who are civil, people who must now obey the law. If you have worked for the people, you don't get others to help you secure votes. I think it is important. It is not very good that we allow things like that to happen, even as we progress in democracy. That happened, and I didn't like it. I raised it, but what happens? You raise and it stops there, really. And then there were other agents who were denied entry because they were late. Well, I mean, there was no place that they are my agents. If they are late, I am the one who is late. Like today, I have come here to vote at noon. It's a choice I made. Not that they were to make a choice. It is important that they arrive early, but if there was a reason that was availed as to why they were late, then they should be allowed. But in any case, even if they were, at 8 o'clock, voting still goes on up to 5 p.m. So if you stop them from being agents of a candidate, you are denying the candidate opportunity to win as well. So that I also got in Kisumu as well, and we have since resolved this, but it disrupted us a bit. Now the things that we had planned to do, we couldn't do early. No, we have to do it late. People are hungry here, so we have to find a way of getting them food to eat. But now it is late in the day. Yes. Anything else?
What about the overview of voting? Because I'm getting information from around Kabonyo that a number of people are not finding their details in the Kim's kit. But then the POs are very reluctant to resort to the manual register.
No, I have not gone to Kabonyo. Outa is the one who went to Kabonyo early in the morning today. He's gone to Nyakach now. But he didn't say there was anything strange or sinister there. But in any case, if you ask me, I think if the kits are working properly, we should use it. We should not resort to a manual register if we can use the kits. The reason being that it helps in reconciling the votes. You reconcile the president's votes, the governor's votes, the senators' votes, the MCAs, the MPs, and for you to also, and then you also reconcile it with the Kim's kit, so that we do